Oh, you're looking at a 1987 Mercedes. You can hear it run here. It's a 6-cylinder. Motor sounds good. Mileage is not that bad for this year, 130. Starts right up. It has a bad transmission. It will not move. The body's in very good shape. You can see here. Front tires are weak. Needs 2 front tires. Back tires are okay. But the main part of this, the body, not rusty. Needs a cleanup, as you can see. But the body's in real good shape. Very little rust. Sunroof works. Nice big car. Got the leather inside, which is a little scratch there, but overall in good shape, not cracked up. See here. See it run. The air conditioning is not blowing cold. It is blowing. Got a cell phone, but look at the wood in it. The wood is good, which is unusual for these older Mercedes. You can see the sunroof working. But it does have a bad transmission, so it's going to have to be towed. Put in gear, see what happens here. See, so nothing happens at all. So, going to need a transmission. But it's a lot of car. Now it's no reserve, so the top bidder will own it. It is in Edgewood, Maryland, at my service place, right off I-95, about 20 miles north of Baltimore. Have your finances ready if you buy this, because you will have to have a deposit within 24 hours of $250, and the balance will have to be paid within 7 days. Don't have to worry about picking it up right away. You have about 30 days. Get a cheap U-Haul trailer and haul it back yourself. You have a transmission, get a used one and put in here, you'd have a lot of car for a little bit of money. And you can't tell the year on these, they all look the same. So it is an as-is sale. So buy this Mercedes.